Hello, in this video we're going to go over 5 tips to make Unreal Engine run faster on your PC. If you want to see how fast Unreal Engine is currently running on your PC, you can just go over to this eye icon. It may be different in older versions of Unreal Engine, and we can go over to Viewport Stats and select FPS. This will show me how fast Unreal Engine is currently running. So right now it's running at around 85 frames per second. Okay, let's get into the tips. The first way to make Unreal Engine run faster is to turn off the real-time viewport. Right now, everything inside of my viewport is running as if it was going to run in the game. So we can see my clouds are actually slowly moving, although we don't really need to calculate this. So we can just go over to this speed icon and just uncheck real-time viewport. And now my clouds should remain static. They will move if I'm in the game, and that can just be a small way to increase the performance. Next, we can disable Lumen. Lumen is Unreal Engine's global illumination and reflection system. It's what makes the light bounce off surfaces and look very nice, although depending on the game you're making, you may not actually need it. So if you don't need Lumen, you can just disable it. So I can go over to Edit, Project Settings, and in the search, I can look for Lumen. And I want to go over to Dynamic Global Illumination Method, and I can just change this to None. This will make the lighting of your project look worse, but as you can see, I'm now getting around 108 frames per second. I'm just going to turn this back on because I do want Lumen, but even still, you could just temporarily turn it off to make your Unreal Engine editor faster and then leave it on when you finally export your game. The next method we can use is to work in unlit mode. So right now I'm in lit mode, but I find if you're developing your game, you can change your Unreal Engine view mode to unlit mode. This is going to render how your level will look with no lighting. Obviously when you play your game it will have lighting, but it can be helpful to just have your level be in unlit mode for a smoother performance in your Unreal Engine editor. The next way we can improve the performance is to lower the scalability settings. So to do that, I can go over to my speed icon, go over to viewport scalability, and right now I'm in epic, but if say I change this to low, I'm getting around 120 frames per second. Yes, everything does look worse, but my Unreal Engine editor will be smoother. And I could actually make this something like medium if I wanted to make it a bit better. That way it's not too visually bad. And then the final way to make Unreal Engine run faster is to reduce the screen percentage. So this controls the resolution at which our viewport is rendered. If I just go over here and I go over to screen percentage, I can go over to custom override and I can just reduce this to 25. It will look worse and I'm getting kind of like a flickering effect, but it's smoother. So maybe I don't want to reduce it all the way to 25, maybe something like 57. That still helps. Yeah, I'm around 110 frames per second. So these are just some quick tips that can help your Unreal Engine editor work faster in case you're using a lower end PC. If you want to learn even more about making games in Unreal Engine, make sure to check out my free Unreal Engine beginner course. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!